Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Favor Kings, and I created this YouTube channel to show you guys how you can start to make money online, especially in dollars. And I promise you guys I have a lot of content for you guys which you don't want to miss. And out of the content is what I will show you in this video today on how you can make at least $50 every week as a Forex trader without having to deposit a dime of your money. And there are a lot of withdrawal proofs I have seen from this bonus, so it's definitely something you want to try out. So before we get started, I want you to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, share this video with your friend, and click on the notification button so you can get notified when I drop videos relating to how you can make money online. So let's get started. Okay, so the name of the site we are going to be using is called XM Broker. So all you just have to do is type XM Broker to your browser and click on the first one, XM Broker. You wait for it to load. Okay, so after loading, you click on open an account. This is it right here, open an account. Click on it. So you wait for it to load. You enter your country of residence, your email address, and your desired password. Country, your email address, and your desired password. So after that, you click on register. They are going to send a verification mail to your Gmail. So you have to go to your Gmail and get something like this. Okay, so you click on verify email and you wait for it to load because it's going to automatically sign you in. There's no need for you to be in a rush, so you wait for it to load. Your email address is verified. So the next step now is to get verified, which you are going to click on verify now. And there are different means of verification. As in Nigeria, you can either verify with your national ID card or your driver's license or your international passport as a Nigerian. So I don't know for other countries. Okay, so after that, after inputting all your details, it's going to take you to where you are going to upload your means of identification. So it's getting ready. Okay, while we are waiting for it to get ready, don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Turn on your notification button so that you can get notified when I drop videos relating to how you can make money. Okay, now this is how it's going to look like. Now you have to click on verify me. Okay, as for me, I'm going to use my international passport. And okay, I have uploaded it. Make sure the quality of what you're uploading is very clear, very clear. Okay, so they are checking the quality of the document I uploaded. Okay, electronic verification complete. Now my means of verification is under review. I'm going to receive an email shortly for the verification. Okay, so I must say this because it's very important. The information on your means of verification must tally with the information you use to register so that you don't face any difficulties when you are getting verified. Okay, so a few minutes after I got my email that I've been verified, and now I can go and join the competition. So you just have to log in. After logging in, you click on the three menu bar button here. You click on it. So you click on it, and after clicking on it, you click on competitions. Click on competition and wait for it to load. Okay, so after loading, you have to click on demo. Make sure you click on demo. And after clicking on demo, you are going to see the list of competitions, the ongoing and the upcoming. So you are going to click on the second one, which is 6 to 13th of August. That's every week from Tuesday to Tuesday. Okay, so you click on join demo, you click on join demo. Okay, so note the password you are going to be putting here is the same password you are going to use to log in on your MT5 account. That's the same password you are going to be using to log in on your MetaTrader 5 account. So make sure the password you are using is a password that you are not going to forget. Okay, so you put your desired password, and click on save. You click on save. Okay, so after clicking on save, so okay, something went wrong. Don't worry about that. They're going to send you an email, just like I received an email, that your demo competition journey begins, which means they have given you the access to join the competition. So you have to copy your MetaTrader 5 ID and go and log into your MetaTrader 5 straight up, so you can get access to the $1,000 no deposit bonus that you can use to trade. Okay, so now you click on add an account. You click on the plus button, then you search for XM Global. So you search for it. Okay, XM Global Limited, the first one, you click on it, and XM Global, you click on server, select XM Global MT56. Okay, so you paste your ID and the password you used the other time. So you type it. After that, you log in. So you wait for it to finish logging in, and okay, here we are. So 1000 USD in our account. Alright guys, so that's how you can get into the competition. So concerning the terms and conditions attached to this competition, all you just have to do to get at least $50 every week is just to find your way to the top 50 among the traders. Okay, find your way into the top 50 among the traders, and to avoid being disqualified from the competition for the week, all you just have to do is avoid 30% loss. Okay, avoid 30% loss and $700 loss on whatsoever capital you have. Okay, so avoid 30% drop down and $700 loss a single day on whatsoever capital you have.